welcome back to my channel. I am up with another video. So if you don't know me, my name is Ritika Garg and I would like if you take a moment and subscribe to my channel below. So today's video is all about a shopping haul. I went for shopping just now and after a long time it was a great feeling. But I went for a shopping with all safeties, with gloves, masks, sanitizer, etc. So I'm very excited to show what I bought for myself to you guys. So before starting video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel below and let's get on to the video. So guys, I am here back and my first thing that I bought is a midi, printed midi of birds and flowers. So this is here, the midi is here. It's a polyester cloth which I like the most and is suitable for both summers and winters. So let's get and try it on. Guys, I am back with this midi. Like, I just love it. This cloth is so soft and it fits such nicely, and it's a thumbs up for this midi. It goes above my expectation. Like, I was not sure about this midi, but now I love this. And yeah, you can just see how I wear it. And yeah, I love this one. So guys, I am back with my second choice. Like, I bought it from Lifestyle and it is a red or maroon color dress with a frill attached dupatta, and it has a belt also, and it's an ethnic wear. I love ethnic wear, so much love for ethnic, and I hope you liked my first dress. And yeah, get on to this. So let's get on. So guys, there's the next dress. This is the chunni that I was talking about. It is attached from here and the belt was given with it to attach it from here also. And yeah, 10 and 10 and a thumbs up for this dress. I love this. It fits so nicely, and the chunni is a flare chunni with the frill also. And yeah, I love this. So a thumbs up for it. So guys, I am here with my third dress and it's a paired dress. I again bought it from Shoppers Stop. So here goes the top. It's also a frilled top and it has stretchy sleeves and it's red and black in color, like red and black prints are here, and it's a white check top, and I would like to pair it with a black pants. And yeah, let's try it on. So guys, here's the look for the third dress and it's a thumbs up from myself for this dress. So yeah, it looks so beautiful by pairing it with the black pants. You can also pair it with red pants because of the red pom-poms coming here. And yeah, there's the look. So yeah, it's a thumbs up from myself, 10 on 10 for this one. Hope you guys like this. If you like this, so please tell me in the comment section below. So the look likes this. And yeah, guys, here the fourth top that I bought. So it is a soft cotton cloth top, and yeah, I paired it with the black pants and it has buttoned up from here, embroidered of blue and white color, and button up sleeves also. It has collars in it, and yeah, it also loves. So 8 by 10 for this one because I didn't like it so much. So yeah, here's the look, and okay, a thumbs up for it. So guys, there's the look for my fifth dress. It's a flare dress with uneven cuts from the bottom, and it has stretchy sleeves, stretchy from the upper side, off shoulder dress, and yeah, super soft and super comfy for the summertime, and I just loved it. I just bought it from Lifestyle only. So guys, that was it for this video, and hope you liked this video. If you liked it, so don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and hoping for best for my other videos. So yeah, goodbye for this one, and yeah, love you guys. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.